I mean, it just sounds like he's playing a scale or something, you know, like he's just going down the scale. But I love it. I gotta hear it again. This is number 3. Hello, welcome back for another song. A new band today, although I have heard the name of this band, Alter Bridge. Just a few things that I like to say, that I only do audio things. I have the lyrics here. I'm a lyric person, so I try to delve into those a little bit and usually embarrass myself in the process. I do pause the video from time to time just so I can talk about things without having to talk over it. I always look bored in my videos, but I'm not. I'm just taking it in, that's all. I'm not going to sit here and, you know, bounce around. It's just not my style. So I might look bored, but I promise you I'm not bored. All right, so I guess we'll get into this. We have an 8-minute opus today. But like I said, if I've heard it before, I'll let you know. All right, I think I'm ready. I think that's all I need. Go.
From the distance is calling your name. Unfurl your black wings and wait. Across the horizons, coming to sweep you away. It's coming to sweep you away.
Time to annoy everyone when I pause it. This voice, I don't know. I was trying to think if it sort of reminded me of someone, and so far not really. So that's always good when it's like an original vocal. We had something coming in. It was starting like the low notes were coming in. Oh my god. I really sound like an idiot today. The low notes were coming in. It's very profound. All right, I'm going to go back and go. I forgot to look at the lyrics. I'll get it next time. To fly long before they've seen that day. Long before they've seen that day. All right, before it belts it again, I have a feeling it's going to belt it again. So the line that just came, let's see, the static of this cruel world caused some birds to fly long before they've seen their day. I got it. So just thematically, this song, you know, gets my vote just for that. I could definitely see why this was recommended to me. It's definitely a powerful song with a powerful message. I don't know, I feel like I don't have much to say about this, which is not a bad thing. It's just sort of like, I'm going to put it back on now because at this point, I'm just rambling and not making any sense. Trying to sound intelligent, but just coming across as a moron. So I'm going to turn it back on. Go. on. Hang on, hang on. What was that little fun thing? That was nice. I'm gonna have to back that up and hear that. I'm the kind of person where I could pick out part of a song that might be less than a second. It might be one note, and it becomes like the best part of the song to where I will have to back it up and listen to it again. Like if I'm in the car, I still listen to CDs in the car because apparently I'm an old woman. But I will rewind. Rewind. Oh my gosh, I'm really old now. I will go back. I don't even know what you call it now. I will go back and re-listen to part of a song, even in the car. So yeah, the part that just happened, whatever that guitar just did, I'm gonna have to hear that again. But again, these lyrics are fantastic. I'm a huge fan of the lyrics. This is just one of those like really powerful songs that's really driving the message home. It's just it's like a comforting, yeah, this vocal, I feel like I know this voice, but not from this song, but I'm gonna have to look up. I kind of want to do it right now, but I'll finish the song first. They must have had a song that I know from the radio because I know this voice. I just can't place it. The best word, if I could sum this song up in one word, it would be powerful. Lyrically, vocally, musically. All around powerful. All right, I'm going to back this up a little bit because I have to hear that little guitar thing. I don't know what it was exactly. I can't even remember what it was now, but I remember I enjoyed it. So I'm going to hear it again. I'm ready. Wait. Is that a bass? That might be a bass. That's probably why I like it so much. I thought it was a guitar at first, but I'm pretty sure that's a bass. I'm going to have to listen to it again. Sorry, I'm going to do it because I have to hear this yet again. It's kind of just like, I mean, it's so simple, which is why I say that I sort of get stuck on one part of a song. I mean, it just sounds like he's playing a scale or something, you know, like he's just going down the scale. But I love it. I got to hear it again. This is number 3. Oh gosh, what's wrong? Okay, yeah, I know, I paused it again. So this is really stupid, but I'm gonna say it anyway because this is so not even worth mentioning, but I'm going to mention it anyway because I thought about it and I went through all the trouble of pausing it, so I might as well share this. So that bass is going down the scale, so descending, right? And then the lyric he just said ascend. So it's like this. Does anyone else sort of pick out these things? I mean, the fact that I felt like that needed to be mentioned, I needed to pause and tell you that is just strange. I don't know. Let's keep. I'm not going to back it up again. I'm going to keep going. Go.
Know that you made such a difference, and all you leave behind will live to the end. The cycle of suffering goes on, but the memories of you stay strong. Someday I too will fly and find you again.
Couple seconds. Okay, I would venture a guess that someone in this band has a very personal connection to this song. To be able to write this and the delivery of it, I think it comes from a personal place. That's just a guess. I don't know. Before I do anything else, I have to look up this band and just see what else they sing, because I know I've heard this voice before. Creed? That's not the singer of Creed, is it? I don't think so. Just gonna look them up on YouTube, I guess. Okay, this is why I can't watch music videos. Who is this? Woo. Should I cut that? Probably, but I'm leaving it in. Alright, just a second. I have this music video on. Try to see if I recognize this. Open your eyes. I don't recognize this. How do I know this band? Let me try this one, Broken Wings. I don't think so. Let me listen to this again and I will be back. Okay, I'm back. Really, I don't have much else to say about this song. It was just as good the second time. Probably better the second time. There is one thing though. So I went more toward the mental health, maybe addiction, suicide route. But this could very well be any kind of death. I think it's the never being broken again. I think that's sort of what planted that idea. May you never be broken again, because it's it's the end of suffering. Even with that lyric, it could still be some kind of cancer, sickness, whatever disease. The bottom line is that it's still a very powerful message. I like how it is addressing the person. I love that little bass part that I heard several times. And this guy's voice is just like soaring. I would say this is a soaring vocal. Yeah, he's got some pipes, this guy. That will do it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me and Ultra Bridge. This was a very, very poignant, powerful song. So thank you for the recommendation. And maybe I will see you for another video.